Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating power and confirming 0 voltage. This protects you and the AC. Once done, open the stabilizer cover and visually inspect fuses, wiring, and terminals for burn marks or loose connections. You must confirm the stabilizer rating matches the AC load. Mismatched capacity causes trips and poor regulation. Then remove any blown fuse and note wire placements. Taking photos helps. Make sure to wear gloves and proceed methodically so you can safely move to component checks. You now test the stabilizer under controlled power. Apply mains and measure input and output voltages while observing relay cycling. Unstable relay chatter indicates bad control or weak capacitor. Probe transformer windings for continuity and test AVR or regulator board components. Replace electrolytic caps showing low capacitance or bulging tops. Once replacements are done, resecure all wire lugs and clean any corrosion. Loose connections create heat and voltage drop. Make sure to recheck voltage regulation under simulated AC load before final assembly. You finish by reassembling the stabilizer, restoring power, and observing the unit while the AC starts. Watch output voltage during compressor startup to ensure the stabilizer holds without sagging. If regulation is steady, run a 15-30-minute functional test to confirm thermal stability. If the stabilizer trips or the AC behaves poorly, make one key check. Disconnect the stabilizer and run the AC directly on mains to see whether the problem is the stabilizer or the air conditioner itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.